Welcome, fam. Coach Nate here. You showed up today, and that means you're already winning. You woke up stiff, sore, and tired, but in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your hips, and fire up your energy for the day. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've never tried before, but you'll wish you had. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you, so make sure to stick through the end of the session to find out. I promise you, you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. This isn't just a stretch, it's an activation move. We're waking up your core and balancing out your body. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, keeping your core tight. Hold, then return to center with control. I promise this move wakes up your entire body, improves balance, and prevents lower back pain. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for support. Advanced stretches, add a slow knee to elbow crunch before extending. Can you hold this steady for 5 more seconds? No wobbling. Great, now let's balance out on the other side. Time to even things out. If you felt unstable before, focus on keeping your core tight this time. Extend your left arm forward and right leg back, keeping your core engaged. Hold, then return to center with control. I promise this strengthens your core, stabilizes your spine, and sets you up for the day. If you need any modifications, do the same as the right side. Try to hold this as still as possible. Can you do it? Now that your core is active, let's fire up your entire body. Now, let's lock in that core strength with the move that builds total body stability. Start in a push-up position, hands directly under shoulders. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your back straight. Hold, breathing deeply, staying strong. I promise this one move strengthens your abs, improves posture, and builds endurance. Beginners, drop your knees while keeping your core engaged. Advanced stretches, lift one arm and tap your shoulder for an extra challenge. Or lift one leg off the ground. You're halfway there, don't drop now. Can you last 5 more seconds? Yep, let's do it. Let's keep going. That just fired up your whole body. Now let's stretch it out. You carry so much tension in your back, the stress, the long hours, the constant forward posture. It all locks up your spine like a rusty chain. But this move, this is the key to setting it free. Sit back into child's pose, knees wide, arms stretched forward, forehead resting on the mat. Breathe in deeply, feeling your lower back expand. On your exhale, glide forward into cobra stretch. Press your palms into the mat, lift your chest, and open up. Repeat slowly, sinking breath with movement. I promise this will undo hours of tension in your spine and melt away stiffness you didn't even realize you had. Beginners, keep elbows bent in cobra for less intensity. Advanced stretches, lift your thighs off the ground for a deeper stretch. Close your eyes, breathe in, feel your body thanking you. Now, one more deep breath before we move on. That just unlocked your spine. Most people ignore their lower back until it starts screaming in pain. But today, you're getting ahead of it. This move will reset your posture, strengthen your spine, and open up your heart, all in one go. Lie on your stomach, forearms flat on the mat, elbows under shoulders. Press into your forearms, lift your chest, and pull your heart forward. Relax your shoulders down and breathe into your lower back. I promise you this move will make you feel lighter, taller, and more powerful. You're not just stretching, you're rebuilding the foundation of your strength. Beginners, keep your feet slightly apart for more support. Advanced stretches, lift your elbows slightly for an extra back extension. Take a deep breath. Imagine your spine stretching 1 inch longer. Hold it. Feel that space? That's freedom. Final stretch coming up. And just like I promised, if you spend hours at a desk, your body needs more than just this routine. That's why I created something special for you. It's free and it will keep your body pain-free all day. Click the link in the description or pin comment before you forget. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.